Black Icon Pack is a stylish customization application for Android devices, offering an extensive collection of sleek, black-themed icons designed to elevate the aesthetic of smartphones and tablets. This app features thousands of meticulously crafted icons that replace default app icons with modern minimalist designs, creating a unified and sophisticated look across the device's interface. Users can easily apply the icon pack through compatible launchers, such as Nova or Apex, allowing for effortless customization without needing technical expertise. In addition to icons, Black Icon Pack often includes matching wallpapers and widgets that enhance the overall theme, enabling users to achieve a cohesive and polished appearance. With its combination of elegance and simplicity, this icon pack is popular among users looking to personalize their devices while maintaining a refined and contemporary design. Overall, Black Icon Pack significantly enhances the visual experience of Android devices, making it an ideal choice for those who appreciate stylish customization.